Hi lovely viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Upasana and I do post makeup, nail art and skincare related content on my channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you all this trendy nail art tutorial. So sit back tight and let's dive into this beginner friendly tutorial. I am taking the Plum Color Affair nail polish in the shade Winter Rose. Apply 2 coats of this nail polish on your nails. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video up. Do also follow me on my Instagram account. I will leave the handle somewhere on the screen. This is a beautiful neutral color. To make the French manicure design, I will be taking the white nail paint and a thin brush. To make the French manicure perfect, I will be making dots on my nails as a guard and then start making small strokes to make the lines on the tips of my nail. While making the design, ensure that your brush is well coated with color. Like this, I will be doing all the other nails as well. I will be leaving the middle finger and the ring finger for some different designs. For the ring finger, I will be taking a glittery shade from Miniso. This nail polish has blue, red and golden glitters in it. Apply 2 to 3 coats of this glitter nail polish on your nails and let it dry. After this, on the middle finger, I will be making some flowers. To make the flowers, I am taking the green dotting tool and then dip it on the white nail polish and start making 5 dots on my nails. Like this, I will be making 2 flowers. This is one of the easiest way to make flowers on your nails. On the middle of the flower, I will be adding some glitter nail polish. You can check out these videos which are popping right here on the screen. These are some other nail art designs that are beginner friendly and easy to make. The video link is in the description box or the I button. The last step of this nail art is to apply a top coat. I am using the top coat from Gala. This will help my manicure last longer and give it some extra shine. The nail art is finally complete. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video up. Do also follow me on my Instagram account. I will leave the handle right on the screen. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.